Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever time of day it is for you. Welcome back to our spoken English course. I hope that you've got your Lingwiser app at hand and your course book ready to learn. You can follow through with this course in both speaking, writing, and listening. Oh, and also reading. Let's get going for today, shall we? People love shopping, whether it's going from one shop to another, from one department to another, or maybe they don't want to buy anything at all. Maybe it's just the atmosphere that they like. Going shopping is known for bringing positive emotions. Psychologists really think for some people that if you buy yourself a treat while you're shopping, that increases those endorphins. However, don't go shopping on those negative emotions, because we all know that buying something when you're feeling down will only be associated with that mood. We don't want that. We want a positive mind and a positive spirit. That's why you need to go shopping when you're feeling great. Are you ready to learn some things? Let's go. There are many different kinds of shops, and you should know exactly where you are going. A baker's. A baker's is a place where you can find fresh bread and cakes. Sweet shop. A sweet shop is the place where you can find sweets. Yummy! A butcher's. A butcher's is a place where you can find fresh meat. A greengrocer's. Greengrocer's is a place where you can find fruit and vegetables. Florists. A florist's is a place where you can find cut flowers and arrangements and plants. Liqueur store. A liqueur store is a place where you can find pre-packaged alcoholic beverages. Newsstand. A newsstand is a stand where you can buy newspapers. Pet shop. A pet shop is a place where you can buy different kinds of animals. Bookshop. A bookshop is a place where you can buy books. Leather goods shop. A leather goods shop is a place where you can buy leather. Clothing shop is a place where you can buy clothing. Gift shop. A gift shop is a place where you can buy gifts or souvenirs. How to understand the signs. Cash only. Cash only is used to describe a payment that you can only make with cash and not bank cards or cheque. Pay here. Pay here is used to point to the place of the cash desk. Best before date. The best before date refers to the quality and shelf life of an unopened food product, not safety. Queue here. Queue here is used to point to a line of people standing or waiting for something. Buy one, get one free. Well, that's just marketing. Why not learn these useful phrases by heart? I am looking for. Do you have any? Where can I find? Could you show me? How much is this? How much does it cost? What is the price? Can I try it on? Can I pay in cash? Can I pay by credit card? I'll take this. Are you in a queue? What is your size? Anything else? Shop around.
Good morning. I can't find the ice cream.
I'll show you. We have several different kinds. Do you know which one you want?
No. Which one would you recommend?
Do you have a large family to feed?
There's 4 of us.
I think that this one will be good for you.
Thank you. Can I pay by credit card?
Cash, please.
Here you are.
Well done, you've done amazing. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for a shopping spree now. Let's wait till we get paid, shall we? As we all know, we need money to buy things. In the meantime, you carry on your window shopping in between looking at that Lingwiser app. I'll see you next time. Bye!